Hello RVers, this is Ashley at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I just wanted to show you a quick tour on a recently arrived 2018 Newmar Ventana 3407. We sold this one originally new. They just traded it in for a new Dutch Star. And as you can see, 50-year anniversary badging, so really easy to tell from a distance. This is a 2018. It's a 3407, 31,000 miles, and they took amazing care of it. So I'm excited to show you. We have some beautiful neutral colors in this one. First thing I noticed when coming in, this one has the cherry wood, so beautiful wood grain on the cabinets. They're no longer doing that in the brand new ones. So if that's something you like, you can get one that's in almost new condition. And in here you have a sofa. The table over here also is going to extend out, and there's two additional folding chairs underneath the king-size bed in the back. Plenty of room to have guests over in this short model. It also has the TV on a television. If you're not watching TV, you can just lower it and have more light in your window. As we come back, you'll notice in the kitchen here, beautiful cabinetry, but also this one has a propane 3-burner stove, as well as a convection oven microwave combo. So extra storage instead of the propane oven here. Your refrigerator will allow you to use propane or electricity, so that makes this model really good for dry camping, especially because it's under that 35 feet length. Also, with the smaller size fridge, you have an extra large pantry with roll-out drawers, something my house desperately needs. One bathroom in this one, and you'll see there is emergency escape door. It's got a nice little ladder built into it. Good sized bathroom here. The only bathroom, because of course this is a very short unit. Coming back to the bedroom, where we also have a sliding wood door for privacy. You'll see the king size bed, original comforter on it. It also will not fold when these opposing slides come in, so great for naps on the go. Plenty of closet space, storage space. This one has full sliding glass doors. And also we installed, when it was purchased new, stackable Splendide washer and dryer. So this unit has a great combination of items in it. You can see the beautiful tile work, beautiful woodwork. So this one was very well maintained. We just got it in and actually haven't even cleaned it yet. So that gives you an idea of the care that was taken with this model. And if you have any questions about it, want to see more, want to see the outside, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name again is Ashley at Bish's RV in Oregon, and it was a pleasure showing this to you today. You can call or text me anytime at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.